guys, happy Planner Wednesday. This spread is from August the 20th through the 26th, and I'm going to do another classic movie this week. It's Anastasia, starring Ingrid Bergman and Yul Brynner, and I love this movie. And so this is the paper that I've picked out because I picked this out because she really doesn't know for sure who she is, and she sees all these pictures in her dreams. One night her father is a circus master, and then she tells a nun that she is the Grand Duchess Anastasia. So, you know, you never really know, and this is because of naturally royalty. And then I picked this washi. I just love it. I think I got it a long time ago at either Hobby Lobby or Michael's, probably Michael's. And then I'm just using a gold Sharpie. So let's take the pages out of my planner. And I'm so glad everyone loved the illusionist theme. I really did, and I love that movie. Okay, I've decided that I want this gold paper to be my dominant paper. But it's a really good movie. It actually keeps you wondering, is she really Anastasia, or is she just remembering things? I know what I think, but you'll have to watch the movie to see what you think. When I saw this paper, I just knew that it reminded me of somebody that was truly lost, didn't know really who their family was, and that's what she's searching for throughout the whole movie, is who is she? And Yul Brynner has a scheme to try to pass her off as Anastasia, but I think in time he's even starting to wonder, is she really that Grand Duchess? Okay, let's start putting our paper down how we want it. I really think this is going to give us a good feel for the movie. All right, let's start to put our paper down. It's really cloudy and we're having another storm, so my lighting is not as good as usual. I'm having to use an overhead light that I have, and it's casting shadows, so I'm sorry about that, but that's just the way it is. In the movie, they say that she has a striking resemblance to the real Anastasia, and she has head wounds and wounds in her hand that could have been made from bullet wounds. And she actually has a lot of memories that pop up, but she's not sure if they're her memories or if someone's planted them there, so she's really not sure. Okay, I really like that. All right, now let's put our washi down. And I really do love this washi. It's so pretty, but I'm gonna have to put it on like this. Oh, I think that's nice. I wanted some kind of washi that would resemble, when he first found her, she'd been in mental institutions and homeless and everything, and he found her on the edge of the Seine River in Paris, and she looked a mess, and then after she was with him, she just totally transformed, you know, with really nice clothes and well nourished. And when she gets nervous, she always has this cough. Oh, I love that. That's giving me just the feel that I wanted. I love working in my planner. Oh, I really do love that. Okay, let's start putting down our stickers. Here's what mine looks like. I actually have the VCR of this, or VHS. I don't have the DVD of that one. And then this is Yul Brynner and Ingrid Bergman. He plays a general, a Russian general. And he is, like I said, he found her, and he is having this scheme to get her $10 million that she's supposed to inherit. And she doesn't know who she is. She just wants to find out. But it's canny how she knows so many things and does things that even he says, how did you know that? And then he's like, I must have told you. And she was like, you must have told me. So, but even he starts thinking, I really didn't tell her. And this is her. There's a little, like a sketch of what the real Anastasia looked like, her height and everything, and he's having her stand in front of that, and she matches perfectly. And he's teaching her to dance and to walk like a duchess, because after all these years she's been, like I said, everywhere. And then this is one of his partners that's in this scheme with him, and they're talking. And here she's playing this piano because the real Anastasia could play, and she can play somewhat, but she says she never really liked it. And she can remember some things, but her memory, just like I said, comes and goes. And then this is, he's taking her to a Russian performance, and where the Dowager Empress, her grandmother, will be, played by Helen Hayes, and she is excellent. And she has said that she's been through so many false Anastasias, she doesn't want to meet her. And this is him asking her to meet her. And she said she's an old woman, and she's with her ghosts and memories. And then here, when she finds out where she's setting, this is really a split screen. This is Ingrid Bergman sitting there, and she's across from her, looking at her with her glasses so that she can see, because she is curious. The grandmother is. Then she finally agrees to meet Ingrid Bergman. And then she says, I'm an old lady, I'm tired. You've learned your part well. Anybody would know that. And then here Ingrid's begging her, and she's remembering things that it's making even her grandmother wonder, is this not Anastasia? But then she starts to leave, and Ingrid sits in a chair, and then she starts coughing when she gets nervous. And I won't tell you how this ends. Here is at the bottom going to be a party, but I'm not going to tell you how this ends. I don't want to spoil it for you, but it is a very, very good movie. All right, I just need to write a few things that I need to do. All right, let's put my pages back in my planner and we'll take a look at it. But I really love this. It is a really good movie, and I love how this spread turned out. I really think it gives the feel for the movie quite nicely. Planner is getting very full. Have to get a new one in December. Oh, but I love it. I love this paper. It gives the exact feel that I'm looking for. Somebody that is not really sure who they are, and they see all these dreams and faces and pictures and memories, but they don't know, they don't really have anything to put in that to know that it's real. And then this is the elegance of what royalty would be like, and this is sort of her transformation. And I love my stickers. I really think this turned out nice. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.